Here's the package that they came in when I bought them, and here's what they look like inside the package. And you can see that there's little white places on the roots, which means they are growing. And I just dug a hole and turned over the dirt and chopped it up with my spade and made a nice fine place to plant these. And then I just dumped out the package there and picked up the bare roots of each plant. There was supposed to be 5 plants, and just put them in at the level of the crown. And there were some that didn't actually have crowns on them, so I just completely buried those. And the crown is the place where the roots become the stems that are above ground, so try and keep that at the same level. And just gently firm in the dirt around them. I think I couldn't find the crown on this plant, so I just buried it. Okay, here they are after the first year's growth. And they're getting taller, and a little bit taller there. And I think that this is the 3rd year, right here. The 3rd year's growth. And this is the current year. And look at the nice big blooms. And there was some, as you can see, that there was a blue one, a red one, and a pink one, and a white one. Because there were 5 roots, so evidently more than one plant lived. So here's the roots, and I just buried the roots right at the crown level. And then they came up. I just buried them in there. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I hope I was able to make a good video for you, and one that was entertaining to watch. And if I was able to do those things, could you please subscribe? I would really appreciate if you'd subscribe to this channel and like this video. And thanks.